Gold so far for the day has been trading in range while silver has shown some bullishness. It failed to breach below 24.90 and shown a good recovery. Now what to expect with the US session for gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for major global markets and commodities. Also, you can keep yourself updated by joining the free Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the level. Now see on the hourly charts, gold is trading very much in the box, and I'll wait for it to break past either 1980 or rather I will say 1975, and on the upside 2005. These levels are very critical. You can see the pattern here, drop, retracement, trying to trade within the box. And couple of observations I'll share quickly. Remember, the stochastic has come to overbought levels here. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with divergence, and see this crossover is happening at the bottom. Good enough. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, the formation is identical, but it is coming after this good drop. So if you look at the formation here, see the rise here, then this breakout, then this again consolidation. So any drop below 75 should be a good indication for you to sell there. Now any break above 2005 is again a very good level for you to buy. You can in fact buy at 1995 for 2000 and then plus levels. Stochastic looking up. The MACD crossing over here at bottom. This is the second crossover. That is a good enough sign for you to buy. Possibly it might trade bullish from here. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour chart, see the previous candle was a good reversal candle. Lower lows are done. It was trading with lower high. This candle trying to break out. Hence I will recommend you to buy here at 1992. Once it trades above 1992, stay long. First I will look forward to 1995, then 2005 levels should be seen. This is a very good resistance zone in between 2001 to 2005. The stochastic bullish, MACD crossing over here also. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, second green candle. Possibly once it stays above 1992, you can buy. We might see 2000 levels here. Stochastic is trying to rise, MACD trying to converge and trade bullish. Now coming to the most important, the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see lower highs are seen, and hence wait for it to break past 1992. Then you can still expect 1995, very good resistance there. And certainly above that, we may see it hitting beyond 2000 levels, and then 2000, 2005, very good resistance. Beyond that, anyways, it is going to fly high. Stochastic is comfortable here. On the other hand, see the MACD has seen a good enough drop. It is still trading with divergence. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, buy today at 92, but then you have to be extremely cautious. This 2005, 2010 levels rather, I will say. Yes, you can put a $5 trailing stop loss. See, 95 is a very good resistance, then 2001, 2005 and then 2010. Till 2010, it has got very good resistance. Hence, you have to put a trailing stop loss so you can buy at 92. A sell entry is only and only if you see it trading below 1975. Remember this fact, a sell entry. Yes, or rather I will say those who want to book a little profits. Yes, you can sell 1985, but then remember, it is not bearish till 80 and 75 are breached. Only once it stays below 75, it is to be considered bearish, and take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver here. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can be part of my mentorship batch or be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Now, if you look at silver, let's start with silver. Silver trading at 25.30, and see this is still trading, and this is giving a breakout here. See, it has gone past the resistance at 25.20. Now it is looking forward to 25.40. Remember, 25.40, 25.50 and 60. These are three very critical resistances for silver. It has to break past this zone in order to again achieve 26. Remember, in the long-term charts, we have seen silver coming out of the bearish channel, and it is given a breakout and it is trading bullish so far. It is yes looking upwards, but then wait for it to go past 26 in order to stay or confirm a positional hold. The stochastic is overbought. MACD, it is looking upwards, divergent bullish. RSI is also trying to trade bullish, and see, this is what I am trying to say. Look at this after consolidation. This is the first breakout. This is second breakout on the 2-hour charts. However, remember 25, 30, 35, 40 zone, very good resistance. We have seen it earlier. You can see multiple candles falling shy of 25.40, and hence 25.40, 50, 60. Till 25.60, just wait and watch. It can reverse any point of time. Also look, the moving average is crossing over, stochastic bullish, MACD bullish, RSI is also looking upwards. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. So most importantly on the 3-hour charts, see you can see the formation there. First look at this, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. So yes, from here you can create this channel almost at the highs, almost at the resistance levels. Hence if you see it trading about 2540, certainly nothing like that. Beyond that we may see 2550, 2560, very good resistance zone at 2540 to 60 levels. In fact 2540 itself is a good resistance. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. Here too it is breaking out. Here too 2520 was the first resistance, now 2540 is the next resistance level. Be cautious here. Yes, it has consolidated here for a fairly longer time, and now it has given a breakout. It might sustain this, though it is overbought, but look, MACD is still divergent bullish, looking upwards. Now look at the daily. On the daily chart, see, first of all one must look at these candles here, lower highs, lower lows. This is the breakout. This is the first breakout. Just wait for it to stay above 2540-60 zone. Beyond that, just stay long. It is going to hit $26 level. And anyways, beyond 26 we are going to look forward to a very good rise. Stochastic is bullish, MACD is bearish but trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look upwards. So again, beyond 2540 you can stay long. However, till 2560 be cautious and alert. Only beyond 2560 we are going to look at a further rise. Then 2580, 2610 zone will be seen. Beyond that, remember, silver has a very good potential for the near term to achieve 28 and 30 levels. Let's see how it fares in the month of May. Now this is all for gold and silver, and if you like the effort, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and you can be part of my Signal channel or mentorship batch. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.